Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Tech Learning Skills. Hope you are doing great. Today I am with you an amazing WhatsApp marketing software WACRM. So let us start explore the software. This is the interface of our software. Okay, so first of all, you have to connect your WhatsApp account from here. Okay, simply you add your new account, name your account. Let's suppose I am naming here Mariam. Okay, and click on add button. Sorry, Mariam else. Okay, click on add button and this will require your QR code. Okay, so scan your QR code. Simply your WhatsApp account will be connected here. Okay, on the right side there are tools or options of the software, so let's check one by one. Okay, so first this is the chat filter option. Here are all means your all chats of your WhatsApp account, and the second option is unread messages of your WhatsApp account will be shown by clicking on this option. Okay, and third option is groups. Simple your unread group messages will be shown here. Chats, your WhatsApp chats will show. Okay, and your business accounts, if your WhatsApp have any business account, so by clicking on this your business account numbers will show here. Okay, so the next option is official numbers. If you have any official WhatsApp number, so it will be shown first. Okay, awaiting replies, need replies, and leaving accounts. Okay, so check one by one. And second option of this WhatsApp WACRM software is broadcast. Okay, so this is the main part. Okay, basically in our WhatsApp there is an option of broadcast already. Okay, but that broadcast can only message 270 at a time. So by this option in our WhatsApp software can send a bulk messages at a time. Okay, so let's start doing this. Target your target audience. Okay, so let's for an example, I upload an manual number. First, you write country code. Okay, so I am writing a manual number here. Okay, write a very short message if you want. Write a very short message. Okay, okay, this message I am writing here, and attach a file, attach a media location and contact. Okay, so I am going within media option, which is a picture, a document, and if you want to add any video, so you can add it. So I'm going with this picture, and here is an amazing option, by the way. So the amazing option is it add list. Okay, so I simply write a title. Okay, my title is what master software. Add a description, WhatsApp marketing software. Okay, button text. Okay, so this is the option. Here you can add multiple options. Okay, if you want. So I want to add. So by now, click can. Okay, I I write only two options. Okay, click on add button, and my campaign is ready for sending. Okay, so simply if you want to schedule your campaign, so you can schedule it over here, over this option. And if you want to send immediately, so you can send it. Okay, I start it. Here you can see the message and the option of our button. Okay, So if customer want to message me buy now or quick demo, so he or she will easily message me. So one thing which is very important, add a random tag. Okay, so by random tag your WhatsApp will not be spam or banned. Okay, so please remember the thing, random tag. Okay, you must add this random tag. Okay, so I'll show you. Start button. Here you can see the software will automatically add a random tag here. Okay, you can see here. So let's come to the third option of our software, which is auto reply bot. So here you can set your auto reply bot messages, add rule. Okay, click on add rule. If a user send me hi or hello, okay, just hi. Okay, exact condition with add message and short message I'm writing over here, and click on add file as if you want to add a picture, if you want to send a picture, so you can. So here is an add list option, as I said, as I told you before, the settings of this one. So if you want to add list, so you can. Okay, for now I'm not adding this. Click on add button. It's all set. Okay, click on save button and click on start. So auto reply bot is running. If user sent, okay, now I'm sending a message, hi, then see it is work or not. See, I sent a hi message. Okay, so this WhatsApp software will automatically send a message which I set. Okay, which I set my auto reply bot portion. So this software will automatically send this message. Okay, next option is group guard. This option is basically help us to detect spammer or spam messages, like if somebody send an inappropriate messages like to follow or contact info. So this group guard option is detect the message and auto remove, auto delete the message, and also warn the sender. Okay, so let's see how it's work. Click on add group. Okay, remember one thing, if you are not the admin of that group, you cannot use this tool. Okay, so select a group in which you are an admin. Okay, I'm adding my group, Spark Creative. Click on add role. Okay, if user input follow, like, share, comment, and contact. Okay, so select a condition which is contains. Okay, this option will detect these mentioned words. Okay. Click on add message, mark as warning, delete user's message after warning. If you want to send a warning message to the sender, so right here. Okay, and if you want to add a parameters like warning count, warning limits, so easily you can add by this option. Okay, for now I am not adding this option. Click on add button, click on save, click on start. Now I'm showing you how it's work. I sent a message from my another number. Okay, follow. So this tool is automatically detect the message and send a warning message also, and delete the message. So you can manage by this option. Okay, so our sixth option is scheduling message. Okay, if you want to schedule a message, as I told before, but I am telling you again, and there is a separate option of this. Okay, so if you want to schedule your message, so you can target your audience, contacts, or label group members, groups. Okay, so I am going with my contacts. Select contacts. If you select contacts number, uh, and select a one of the number. Okay, select and write a short message, write a message here. And if you want to add the media, so you can load the media and click on and if you want to add list, so here you can add your list. Okay, simple. So this is a very simple scheduling message, and simple you go with this option schedule and uh, change the date, change the time. Mariam. Okay, schedule now. Successful. Okay. Next option is reminder. So if you want to reminder or yourself, okay, so you can go with this option. You reminder titles, reminder for. Okay, so I'll go with this option. 18. Okay, save. Ready. Okay, quick reply. Title your quick reply. Okay, so I'm writing here software. If you want to add image, audio, document, so you can add here. I'm just writing a message here. Okay, and here you go. Okay, and the seventh option is data extractor. So from your WhatsApp account, this option will help you to extract your data from your WhatsApp account, all chats from chat lists, save contacts, unsaved numbers. So if you want to extract your unsaved number, so you can extract it by this option. Okay, simply export. Now, okay, from groups, if you want to extract something from groups, numbers from group, just suppose I want all unsaved numbers from a specific group, like uh, so I click on this number and simply click on export button. So this option will help you to extract all the unsaved number of this group. Okay, simply from label, if you want to extract your unsaved contacts from a specific label, from a specific contacts from label, so you can easily extract from here. From contacts, if you want export all contact lists of your WhatsApp account, so you can easily extract by this option. Those, so the file will extract in Excel file. Okay, simply click on save button, the file will save. So the next option is WhatsApp number filter. This is an amazing feature of this software. By the way, upload Excel file if you want. If you have any Excel file of your number and you want to filter your numbers of that file, so simply you add your file here. Okay, and click on start button. So here you can filter your WhatsApp numbers, mobile numbers, if they are available, if they are not available, so it will mention here. Okay, in business account status available or not. So if you want only business extractor, business numbers, so you can extract the file over by this option. And if you want only available numbers, so you can export only available number by this option. Okay, so the next option is group utilities. Okay, so first option here, group joiner. If you have any group number list, group number URLs, so simple. Here you can upload your file and start button. So this option will help you to join groups manually. Okay, group destroyer. If you want to destroy any of your group, any of your WhatsApp group, so simply but you have to admin of this group. Okay, if you are not admin of that group, so you will not destroy that group. Okay, so remember this thing. Groups management. Here you can see all of your groups who are added. Okay, last message and is I am member or not, member count, how many members are there in the group. Okay, so simply you can see here by this option. And the last option of this software is tools. Okay, so this is the blur settings of your software. If you want to blur display photo, okay, or blur messages, okay, blur conversation. So here you can go with this. WhatsApp link generator. If you want to generate any WhatsApp number link, so simply write a country code, okay, and the mobile number like 32228. Okay, message. If more details. Okay, create link. Click on create link. Simply the link is ready. Simple copy here, and if you want to download your QR code of your generated number link, so simply here you can download it. Okay, next option is send direct message. Okay, if you want to send a direct message, so you can go with this option. Message translator. Okay, next option is message signature. Hope you like my video. If you have any queries regarding this software, so feel free to ask me. This is an amazing software, by the way, because there are a lot of things in a one platform. Okay, you create a broadcast where you create a auto reply options in a one platform. Okay, so this is an amazing software. Try to use the software, and if you have any queries, so feel free to ask me. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.